up, guys and gals? Today we're going to kind of rejuvenate the water pump on this 62 Impala Super Sport. It started leaking on me the other day when I was driving it. I did get the brakes fixed since the last time I think I posted a video. Got the fuel tank out, cleaned it out as well. I'm going to try to get it in today. It's pretty cold out here. It's in the 30s, which is cold for Alabama. I got the floor pans welded in and new seat put in, I think, since my last video. I'll show you that. Also got a tripod, so it's kind of convenient to do a little bit better video. But yeah, so trying to make. You have to excuse my garage. It is a complete disaster right now, but it's the fuel tank. I got it out a while back. Cleaned out the inside. I actually used muriatic acid. You can get it at basically any home project store, Lowe's. I think Home Depot's got it. Probably Walmart too. But I used a gallon of muriatic acid and diluted it with water and let it soak for like a day and a half. And that cleaned most of the varnish and stuff that was in there out. I got a new sending unit for it, and a new boot for the filler neck, gaskets and stuff like that. I gotta clean the old neck up before I put it on. This is the old unit. You can see it's in pretty bad shape. I mean, it sat in the car in a field for probably about 40 years, so what do you expect? But that's the fan shroud. I had to take it off to get the water pump out. I'm probably going to shoot it with some like flat black spray paint before I put it back in, clean it up real good, make it look good. And over here, got the water pump. This gasket here is the one I believe is leaking. But I got all new gaskets for it. It's the original, and I like to keep it that way. I'm going to clean this up real good with a wire brush, wire wheel, and then hit it with some of this Chevy orange engine paint. I think that'll look real good. And then there's just the fan and stuff. I might clean it up and hit it with some paint as well, depending on what it looks like under all that dirt and dust. But yeah, I'm probably going to clean and paint this, and then I'll come back on video. I popped the hood real quick just to show y'all what it looks like right now without the fan shroud and water pump and all that in there. I got this out yesterday, so it hasn't been sitting here like this for very long. I'm going to flush the radiator out too before I hook those lines back up. Yep. Show y'all the inside real quick. Like I said, I think the floor pans were still rotted out last time. In the last video. I've still got to get new carpet for it and put those plugs in. I do have those water plugs. It's kind of dirty right now. The seat is a Scat Pro Car, I believe. I got it off Amazon. It was like $250, somewhere around there. Slides back and forth on brackets. So I don't plan on keeping it in there permanently. It's just a seat that I can use to drive it with right now, since the other one was destroyed. I'll probably have the other one reupholstered. So, and if anyone knows how to attach this pedal, gas pedal, let me know, because it's got a hole here, and I figured that just jams up in there, but it doesn't really stay, so I'm not sure how that's supposed to attach. Any of you old school Impala experts out there, let me know. Here's the final product, assembled back together, about to be installed. Shot it with some flat black spray paint, Chevy orange on the water pump. Hopefully it don't fly apart when I put it in, but show you all the install here in a second. Well, we had a minor setback. I ordered these parts online last night and went and picked them up. And this other gasket I ordered is apparently too big. Should have been 2 like that. That one's got 3 holes in it. This one's only got 2, which is kind of weird, but apparently it takes 2 of the 3-hole gaskets. So I live about 3 miles from the nearest parts store. I'm gonna run and grab the correct one and come back and finish this. I went with the AutoZone special. It was on sale for $9.99. It's green and it works. So. Check for leaks. No leaks. Do have a leak. Radiator's pissing coolant. I have to either get that plugged or buy a new radiator. I don't know if you can see that little pinhole. So I'm not gonna put this other jug of coolant in there, it'd just be a waste. I'm going to crank it up though and make sure the pump doesn't leak. I'll put regular water in it if I need to. been a while since I started this thing. Video, guys. It's getting dark. I don't know if you can tell. Unfortunately, I didn't plan on